I'm Liz with the social media and education team here at LD Carlson, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make dog treats with the spent grain left over from your brew. You are going to need 4 cups of spent grain, 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of peanut butter, and 2 eggs. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. This recipe is really easy. You just combine everything in the bowl. I brought home my spent grain from our employee brew day at LD Carlson. We get together about twice a year on Saturday as a team to do brew day, where we come up with and try new recipes, and it's an opportunity to learn a lot about brewing to better help our customers. Now mix the ingredients together really well. It gets a little tough, but when it gets too tough, just start using your hands. It should be similar to the consistency of a cutout cookie dough. Now sprinkle the counter with a little bit of flour and put the dough on the flour and start to press it down to get ready to roll. Grab your rolling pin or an empty wine bottle and gently roll the dough out until it is about 1/4 to a 1/2 inch thick. Then use a cookie cutter or a knife to cut out the shape you want. Then put them on the pan, evenly spaced. They can be as close or as far apart as you'd like because they won't spread or rise. Then put them in the oven and set the timer for 30 minutes. When the first 30 minutes are over, turn the temperature down to 225 degrees. Set the timer for 1 hour. And when that timer goes off, you have yourself some dog treats. Your pup will thank you.